Good day from the Institute of Galatentology, where I, with the help of this guy, shall endeavour to give you some helpful advice around socially distancing in a 4 meters by 6 meters party tent marquee from Gala Tent. Now, usually a 4 meters by 6 meters marquee would have the capacity to hold 40 people standing.
Woohoo!
Or, if they're seated auditorium style, 20 people.
Woohoo!
And when lockdown was introduced in March, the maximum you might achieve would be simply the size of your family. For the purposes of this guy, I'm going to suggest it's you, your significant other, and 2 children. Then, when the lockdown restrictions were lifted, the 2 meter distancing rule meant that you could squeeze 8 people into your marquee, but at arm's length. And now, we have the so-called rule of 6, thanks to this guy. This means that whilst it is possible to squeeze many more into your party tent, I'm afraid that Auntie Barbara and Uncle Derek, who aren't really your real uncle and auntie, they're just simply friends of the family that you've known since childhood, well, they're going to have to wait outside. Sorry, Babs. I'm sure he'll change his mind again soon. The Gala Tent 4 meters by 6 meters marquee. It'll fit as many people as you're allowed. Today.